Okay, this video is on segment, addition postulate, color by number. Okay, and we're going to work out number 8, 10, and 12. And then the rest, I'm going to let you work out by yourself. And if you have any questions, always ask for help. Think for yourself first. Always try it by yourself first. But if you don't know how to do it, ask for help. Number 8. So I'm going to try to draw it first. Maybe I should just let the picture show. Let's just let the picture show. Okay, let's see what we can figure out. So I got 108 here, 163 total, and then 85. So let's do this. If this is 163 all the way across, and then from here over is 85. I could take 163 minus 85 and get 78. So that means this part is 78. And then I can take 163 minus 108, and that'll give me this part, MN. So 163 minus 108, oops, is 55. So 163 minus 85 gives me 78. And the reason I did that is because from here over is 85. So this has to be 78. And then from here over is 108. So this has to be 55. So the middle piece has to be 30 for one thing, but I'll still do it. So 163 minus 55 minus 78 is 30. So that little piece is 30. Alright, so I think I have everything. So notice it doesn't have that line above it. So what this reads is, it says the measure of line segment ML equals what? That's really what that says. The measure of line segment ML equals, and it equals 30. So the answer is 30. So think about what we did. We took 163 minus 85 and got 78. Then we took 163 minus 108 and got 55. Then we took 163 minus 78 minus 55 and got 30. It's a lot of logic. If you're not good at logic, you know, math can be confusing, but if you just practice, you'll get better. Okay, so let's look at number 10. It's more algebra than logic. We have 3 separate pieces. All 3 of these pieces add up to the whole. So we're gonna take this, plus this, and it's gonna equal the whole. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to scoot down, get a clean sheet. So number 10, we got 84 plus 9x minus 59 plus negative 76 plus 6x equals 174. because each of the three pieces add up to the whole. I'm going to highlight all my x's. Looks like I have 2 of them. I'm going to put them together. So 9x plus 6x is 15x. Then I have 84, negative 59, and negative 76. And I need to add all those up. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to scoot this up. So I have 84 plus negative 59 plus negative 76. And I get negative 51. Okay, so this is really my new problem. I have 15x minus 51 equals 174. This is just a 2-step equation, and all I need to do now is solve it. I'm going to add 51 to both sides, and I get 15x equals, let's add this up, and I'll check myself just to make sure I didn't do any crazy math, and I got the same thing. So I have 15x equals 225. I divide both sides by 15. And 225 divided by 15 is 15. So x equals 15. So the question now is, do they want to know x, or do they want us to plug x back in and tell them one of the line segments? So let's look at the question and see what they're asking. And it just wants to know x. So we're good, we're done. We don't need to do any more work. Okay, let's do 12. Here's one of our key words here, collinear. So it's a good thing we learned it. It says points A, B, and C are collinear, meaning they lie on the same line. And BC is negative 13 plus 2x. AC is 5, and BC is x minus 3. What is the value of x? So let's draw it out. They didn't give us a diagram, so we're going to have to draw our own diagram. All right, A, B, and C. And it says BC is negative 13 plus 2x. AC, the whole thing, is 5. And AB is x minus 3. Well, it doesn't say how they lie. Okay, I guess this is it. So we're going to take this plus this, and it's going to equal 5. All right, let's highlight our variables so we know to put those together. I'm going to put a 1 in front of the x so that I don't forget that there's a number there. So I got 1 plus 2, which is going to be 3. So I have 3x, and then I have negative 3 plus negative 13, which is going to be negative 16, equals 5. All right, so I got 3x minus 16 equals 5. I don't have any more room, so I'm going to have to turn the page, but if you have room, that's fine. I'm going to have to rewrite it. So we're going to add 16. And then we're going to divide by 3. And x is going to equal 7. The question is, are they just asking for x? Or do we need to plug 7 back in and solve for something else? So let's look back at the question. And we're in luck. They just want to know what x is. So we're good. It just said, what is x? All right. I'm looking around and I can see that some of the other questions ask for different things. So when you get to those, make sure you ask for help if you don't know what to do. And I will help you with any of these that you have questions with, okay? So just let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. Just raise your hand when you get there.